Tech lovers, buckle up. Today we're counting down the top 3 best premium electronics of 2025, from cutting-edge gadgets to futuristic designs. You're gonna want them all. Let's jump right in. Number 3, the Apple Watch Series 10. This smartwatch isn't just for telling time. It's your fitness coach, health monitor, and personal assistant all in one. With an even brighter always-on Retina display and a 30% faster chip, the Series 10 is more responsive than ever. Whether you're tracking workouts, checking messages, or monitoring your heart rate, this watch keeps up with your lifestyle. Number 2, the Apple AirPods Pro 2. These earbuds are a music lover's dream. With adaptive transparency and next-level active noise cancellation, the AirPods Pro 2 deliver crystal clear sound while keeping the outside world exactly as quiet or as loud as you want it. Plus, the new USB-C charging case means faster and more universal charging. Number 1, the Samsung Galaxy S25. Meet the powerhouse of 2025. The Galaxy S25 comes with a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display, pushing peak brightness to over 2,500 nits. Under the hood, you've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, or Exynos 2500 depending on your region, paired with AI-powered performance that learns your habits for lightning-fast multitasking. The camera system is where this phone flexes hardest. A 200-megapixel main sensor, 10x optical zoom, and nitography so sharp you'll think it was taken in daylight. Add in a massive battery that lasts over 30 hours of screen-on time and super fast charging, and you've got the ultimate flagship phone. So there you have it, 3 premium electronics that are defining tech in 2025. Which one's your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gadget goodness. Until next time, stay techie.